All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in to today's lecture. We're going to talk about the basics of Redistic Math. Now, you may be asking, what is Redistic Math? Well, that's why we're making this video, to go over the basics of Redistic Math. Today, we're going to talk about addition and subtraction with Redistic Math. Redistic Math is a math system that simplifies math and makes it much more easier. So we're going to talk about the basics. 1 plus 1 equals, let's say, x. So we know that there's a 1 here and a 1 here. And we had to add the two so they go together. So 1 here, 1 here. We add the two together. That's going to equal 211, of course. Let's try another problem. 2 plus 3 equals x. Now, this one might be a little tricky. So let's talk about what this means for us. A 2 and a 3. And we add them together. We add them together. That makes 23. Make sense? Let's try another one. 522.6 plus 3. Now, this one might be a little tricky because what do we do if there's a decimal? Well, we take the 3 and we add a point 0. So we can assume that the answer is going to be 522 plus 3, which makes it 5,000.6. Now let's get into subtraction. 1 minus 1 is going to equal to 0 because they cancel each other out. 1 minus 2 equals x. Let's see what this looks like. If there is a 1, 1 is the number that we're taking away from. 2 is the number that will be taken away from 1. We minus the difference. We say, is there a 2 anywhere in this? No, there is not a 2 anywhere in this. So the 2 cancels itself out, leaving us with 1. Now let's talk about 176 minus 6. Well, we see that there's a 6 here, so they cancel each other out, which leaves us with 17. Make sense? Let's try another problem. 75.2 minus 3. Well, we know there's no 3, so the 3 cancels itself out, leaving us with 552.2. 55.2. Wait, 75.2. 0.2. Now, what about this? 175.6 minus 6. 0.0. What do we do about this? The 6 cancels itself out. Because it's not a decimal, it doesn't take anything away, leaving with the answer being 175.6. And that's the lesson for today. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below and I'll answer them. Thank you again. Next time, we'll be talking about multiplication and division, where things get a little bit more harder. And then from there, we'll continue on, getting more and more advanced as we continue. Hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.